boxing or even just training. It's very important we get used to being up on the toes, nice and light. We use skipping a lot in boxing to get you on the feet, and outrunning as well to get that nice spring out of your feet. It's about being able to just move the body weight nice and quickly. So when you're in your stance, so left foot forward, right foot back, we come up on our toes a little, so we just take the weight off the heels. From here, we just start. So you do equal movements with the left and the right. So you only go as far forward with both feet and back. This means you can pop off the feet quickly. So when you want to move in for a shot, you can come back and forward. So really quick. So when you're in the bag, I can't hit that person if they're there, but when I can pop in quick and back, then it makes for an effective attack where you get in and out nice and quick and get a nice punch in. So getting up on the feet is really important. Just making sure that you get the timing right between the 2 feet.